Hey guys, back here with another video, and today I will be showing you how to make a mechanical pen rocket. Whoa, that just flew clear over there. Hold on, let me do that. Oh, there it is. Okay, finally. Here, I'm just gonna do a little. There we go. You guys seen it fly? You want to learn it. That's why you clicked on the videos, because you want to learn how to actually make one of these. So let's get right into it. So guys, I am actually using two mechanical pencils. This is my basic one. This is my basic one that I made first. I just learned this one by myself. It's pretty easy. As you guys can see, here's my regular one. See? That's my regular one. Here's my other one. You probably heard it. But this one has like parts I could take out. I just jammed parts into that one. All you're going to need, the only thing I jammed in there was the spring, because that's the most important part. You don't really need this unless you want to get caught with it, like shooting and stuff. Because they're not going to see this part and they're going to tell you throw it away because it looks like a piece of crap. So I would prefer having this part, but you don't need it if you're just going to use it at home. If you want to go to school and use it. But going to school and using it is pretty risky. They caught me using it, but they didn't yell at me because I only used it once and I'm a really good kid at school. But what you're going to do, there's no certain way to put it in there. You're just going to drop the spring in there, as you can see. I'll put my stunt double over here. And then you're just going to put this in it. And boom, you learn. But I would prefer using a spring. I just found two springs, guys. Look at that. I'd prefer using a spring from another mechanical pencil, so then it would like get jammed in there. So then the spring, are these the same size, or which one's bigger? Okay, they're the same size, but one's actually fatter, so I'm gonna put that one in this one because it might jam it in there. Oh, guys. Dang it! I'm gonna have to jam it in there again. Because if you actually use a smaller spring from the normal pencil, it may fly out. I'm trying to jam this one. Okay. Alright, there we go, guys. But yeah, I prefer using a fatter spring so then it won't fly out when you shoot it. I wonder what happened if I use this spring for this one. Yes, I learned how to make it from another pencil. They're really basic and easy to make. But you can use it during a test, like maybe carry around a few things of lead. I have a bunch of lead over here. So then the teacher won't be suspicious. So you're taking the test, multiple choice. And then there's that little book in front of you, so then the person can't cheat off you. And then when the teacher's not paying attention, like say she's grading papers like F, A, B, C, A. And then you just be like, it's really fun. Be like, maybe even put an eraser in it. See, there's an eraser in it, and then you just like, she won't mind if I'm just playing with it. Where'd that go? Oh, there it is. Just playing it in middle class. Where did that even go? I'll meet you guys once I figure out where that went. Alright guys, so I finally figured out where it went. It was behind my paper shredder. But, like, these things are, like, really easy to make. They are really cheap. They're only, like, $1, and I got $10, so then I can buy, like, 10 things of these. And they each package has 4 of them in it. But they're extremely easy to make. Like, 5-year-olds can make them. 12-year-olds like me can make them. I make $12 every weekend, so then I can buy 12 packs of them. I can buy 22 packs of them. And they're actually, like, really fun because they're really fast. They reach the roof. They shoot. You can have a little war because I have 2 of them. Because I have 2 of them. This was the first one that I make. How do I know that? There's actually, let me go get my light. Okay. How do I know that? How do I know that, guys? If you guys can see, there's a hole in the top from when I ripped this part off. As you guys can see, this one still has a little bit of the part left on it. As you can see, that other one has a hole in it. But this is a great project. I love messing around with it in school because, you know, school's boring. This makes it, like, really, why is it acting like that? Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay, but this makes school really fun. Just don't let the teacher catching you. Make 3, make 12, make any. But I just like messing with this. I cannot wait to show my parents and tell them how I made it. But yeah, it goes really high. It's really fast and stuff. Like for when you want to shoot it and like have a little war with it. Yeah, have a war with it, guys. Just have a flipping war with it. Because me and my friend were having a war with it. Because I showed him how to make it. And I actually shot him in the eye. Oh, that was funny. Yeah. Yeah. So let me go put my light back. Sir, have you been drinking? But yeah, I got a mess over here that I probably have to clean up. We'll keep the lid though, and I'm gonna keep this part because that's a smart thing to do. Because then you have some extra stuff for it. Do I actually? Do I? Is there the spring stuck inside of this? How does the spring get stuck inside of this? Oh my God, that hurt. Get out of there. I'm probably just going to have to cut it in half, guys. There we go. Why won't the thing come out? I tried so hard. I'm gonna cut it again. Oh God, why is this thing so hard to cut? Come on, I'll meet you guys. Okay, guys, so it's official. I can't get that thing out. I don't know why I'm throwing away this. Tell me, why am I throwing away this again? I really don't want to throw away this. Anyways, guys, let me get this. Alright, guys, if you guys did enjoy and you want me to make more videos, I'm maybe making a video on Saturday or Sunday. I don't know which one. About my first time driving. But if you guys want more videos like this, comment down below, subscribe, leave a like, hit that notification button for all my 7 or 8 subscribers. I don't even know. So yeah, have a nice day.